Well, Enzo and I had such a great time out here at the park last time making a video, we decided to do it again. So, I did a few things to the wagon over the last week, just kind of in my spare time, just messing around. I'll show you guys kind of what I was working on and what I've been up to and what I got planned for today. So before we go get in some trouble, I need to do a quick oil change on the wagon. But check this out. I did this last night on a whim. I've been wanting to do it for a little bit, kind of had it in mind to do it. And I'm not 100% sure if I'm in love with it just yet, but it is uniquely mine. And it matches my valve cover. So we'll see. Number two, what I did here, let's check out the new chase bar. So, with that thing powered on, it looks like it's flashing in the video, but it's not really, it's just the LEDs and the light. But yeah, it's got that, and it's got the reverse, two whites that come on when I'm in reverse. It's super duper bright, and I think I like it a little better. It's got a lot more visibility out the back, as you can see, than the old one had. So that's a big plus for me. But yeah, I did that, and then one more thing I'll show you. And one more small change here. I had this voltmeter around for a while, and I just never got a chance to put it in. But it just, let's see if I can catch on the light. Yep, it works. So it's just kind of, I just have it installed here, just kind of floating. I kind of like the way it is. Just it kind of matches the floating of this gauge here on the AFR. So I just kind of like it, just kind of sitting out there in space, and plus it's, you know, it's easy to read. Didn't have to cut a hole in anything, and that way I know what my voltage is on the battery when I'm out camping or out doing wheeling or whatever. The one thing I'm really gonna like about this GoPro setup is it makes making quick videos a lot easier than it is carrying around my DSLR. Now the DSLR won't go away, but this is gonna be a great substitute for when I want to run and gun, because this is much lighter. I can do stuff like this, and it's easier to carry. It's got a little wand. Enzo likes it, and plus I can upscale it and I can do these high-end videos. I think I'm going to start shooting maybe in 2K. I'm going to try this video in 2K and kind of downgrade down to it and see what it looks like down at 1080. I had some good comments on the last video of how good it looked and how well that all works. So my thinking is maybe shorter videos, high quality, just running around doing my little stuff here and there. That way I can get some more content out to you guys, because I know I used to really be good about doing really quick uploads, and lately I've been hitting these bigger projects and not doing my normal stuff. So a little bit more life, a little bit more vlog stuff, and we're gonna crank those numbers up, because 3,000 is badass. You know, it's even more badass. More than 3,000. Jeez, dog, you're even muddier. How'd you get muddy here? Oh. Enzo, let's go in the water. Whew. That's cold. Wash those feet off. Wash the feet off. Wash. Yeah, there, good boy. Good boy. Just wash your feetsies. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. No, don't go in the mud. No, there's more mud. This way. All right, now let's go this way. Let's go this way. Away from the mud. Away from the mud. Good boy. But yeah, so this will help me be able to do more uploads, more daily content. Not daily stuff yet, maybe. But it'll help me be more consistent with these little short videos. So let's go back to the wagon stuff. And load up. Good boy. Enzo likes the wagon rides. Don't you, buddy? Boop the camera. Is he a good boy? Are you a good boy or are you a bad boy? That's a good boy. All right, skid plate's off, all good to go there. What I thought was funny, I was dreading taking the skid plate off, but I forgot that you can just drop those 3 17 mils out of the back. This whole thing comes off. But look at this crossbar. It got bent up on that side and not on this side. And actually, that side being bent up gives it a ton more clearance on here. So what I really need to do is maybe put a jack under it on the side, just keep bending that up till that flexes a little bit flatter. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start the oil change out of here. It looks so good though. I love the way this downpipe looks and everything. It turned out really, 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 really nice. A lot better than I expected it to, at least. And with the back being opened up, you can see my new chase light bar a little better. So instead of mounting it up here like I had the other one, I went ahead and just mounted it up here into the roof. That way the wiring is a lot cleaner. It's all tucked up here. I need to retuck that, but it looks 1,000 times better than it did before. I really like the way that looks. And like I said, it gives me a ton more visibility out the back, which the other one hung down about this far down, so I was blocked out by a lot and I really couldn't see much out the rear. Go ahead and bleed the coolant one more time to see if there's any more bubbles in there. That way I can determine whether it is in fact the radiator is just too crappy for me, or maybe I didn't get every single air bubble out because it was at an angle and I'm getting some bubbles out now, so we'll see kind of where that goes. Oil change is going good. We're running at temperature just fine. We went up to 199. We're back down to 197, so the temperature's doing well. Well, like most of the time, I kind of just got a wild hair and decided to start building. So what I did is instead of going ahead and swapping out the radiator back to the stock radiator, I wanted to try a few simple things. And I had this piece of tin laying around. I can make basically a heat shield from the radiator. It's not amazing looking, but it's functional, and hopefully that'll help out a little bit. I was going to do some ducting around, but I think that's going to be pretty good for that side to kind of keep flow to it. I also put the speed holes here, as you can see here, and then inside there as well. So hopefully that'll help. I don't know. After I'd bled some of the bubbles out, it was doing pretty well. It seemed like it got to temperature. I revved it up, like held it at like 3,500 RPM for a while. Got up to like 206 degrees for the water temp, and it dropped back down in a few, half a minute maybe or so, to down to 197 with the fan running. That seems good, but again, this is not a heat-soaked engine. It hasn't been running all day, it hasn't been hill climbing, so we'll kind of see where that ends up going. But as for that, we're gonna wrap all that up.
I just do that. Oh, no matter. Oh, you don't even have to.
Yep.
So you got the stabilization on? Where's Enzo? What are you doing? Wait. Oh, yeah. Anything out? Oh, that's dangerous.
Casey! She lost her stud.
Oh,
It's all gone. It's just a piece of metal now.
it's ugly.
Like I said, we just get a little marker, just do a little touch up.
Well, thankfully we're all wearing masks. No one knows, so there's that.
Sometime. You ready, Enzo?
Oh, pup cup for Enzo?
I don't know if they have pup cups here or not anymore. Remember
Yeah.
they like got mad at us the other one.
No, they let. That's why he got his first pup cup was here.
Thank you.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, Enzo. What we got here?
There's your pup
Oh,
cup.
he knows. He's bad. Open it. Whoa.
Yummy, yummy.
Back up a little bit. You happy now? Well, that's a lot. They stuffed that one full for you, buddy. Oh, you're gonna get me all nasty, aren't you?
Yeah, you just keep holding it. I'll hold the camera.
No, I can see. Go over.
They didn't give whipped cream this time. He got actual ice
That's
cream.
actual ice cream.
That is ice cream.
There's a lot of ice cream.
Oh, that's gonna take a while.
Yeah. You're gonna get brain freeze.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we're ending this video where I started it, back at the waterfront. We decided to go get some fast food and be junkies, and let Enzo play some more because he's had a good day.
Oh, frick!
And now he's gonna attack Brooke. That's like a boy. Enzo.
Oh, you disappeared.
Oh God. Oh, don't hit me again, please. Ow. Jeez, dog. There goes the mud again. Ow.
Let me see your sheer back.
You see his paw prints?
It's something, all right.
Ow. Dog. He ran at me full. He did that earlier when I was out here. He ran at my knee though.
I'm even shocked he didn't break my.
All right, Enzo, time to go wash off. You know the routine. We play in the mud, then we go wash off.
Come, come. Enzo, come.
Go wash off. Boy, I know it's cold, but go wash off. All right, let's go wash off. It's not too bad. Go wash off. Let's go wash off. Good boy. That's a good boy. Wash them feetsies.
No, no, no. No.
Give Mom a big hug.
No.
That's a good boy. Get her. No, not in the mud. No. Oh no. We messed up. Oh, here we go.
Please don't do that. Please don't. Oh my God, don't do that.
That's what he was doing the other day when I was down here.
Oh my God, that's a lot steeper in person. Maybe if I chase him. Not that way.
No, boy. Enzo.
That way, that way.
Enzo. Oh no. Come. Let's wash off. Come, come. Come, come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Now, Mama, leave him alone. All right, now you're ready to go back to the wagon? Good boy. All right, let's go. Let's go back.
He's so white again.
Good boy. Good boy. Don't go that way.
Enzo, 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 Enzo.
Stop. Good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. Alrighty. Well, that's the end of that one. I hope you guys enjoyed the shorter videos. More personal, like vlog stuff, kind of like we used to do back in the day. We'll be able to pump this stuff out a little bit more now that we have the GoPro. And thanks to this one. But yeah, wagon's good. We're good. Enzo's good. We're going home. See you guys.